Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm doing a everyday makeup routine. So ignore how I look obviously because I've got no makeup on, no fake tan, so I'm not looking my best. But that is why we're doing this video, to make myself look nicer. So yeah, you've all actually requested this because I've changed the way I do my makeup drastically. I'll stop touching my hair in a minute, I promise. I'm going to put it up. I've changed the way I do my makeup because I obviously stopped fake tanning, so I only had one dark foundation, and then this foundation, which is my mum's, which obviously matches me when I have like a natural tan. And it's more natural, and I feel like it looks nicer. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm so self-conscious, like no one even understands right now how self-conscious I am with my face like this. But like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'm going to be showing you today how I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to put my hair in a bun, for the starters. I hope everyone's doing okay. I haven't been wearing makeup too much, to be fair, because obviously I'm not going out anywhere, but obviously I wear makeup to fit. Let's do a little bun on my head, and then because I have loads of dead hair from bleaching my hair at the back. Oh my god, what is that? I'm just gonna put a bobby pin at the back, so my hair, oh my god, that little bit. There you go, that should be alright. Should I tell? Oh yeah, I'm wearing a dress, by the way. My dress is from this brand called Yes Style. I'm actually uploading that video right now, but it would have probably been up. No, it probably won't be up by the time you're seeing this. Yeah, this is what I look like without makeup on. I know it's not great, and I'm a massive catfish. But you know what, in life, there's bigger issues. Right, let's just get started, okay? So, the first thing I do is take my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I don't know what this does. I don't know, I just like putting it on before my makeup. It makes me feel fresh and all of that good stuff. So, I've had it for ages. It was quite pricey, but it's a good investment, not investment. It's a good thing to spend your money on because it lasts for ages. I've literally had it for like November, December, January, February, March, April, May, 7 months, and it's like just hit half full. So yeah, I also need to put my mirror here. Okay, my skin's not loving life at the minute. Is anyone else having like really bad skin problems during this? Like, I thought my skin would be way better. I haven't fake tanned my face in like well over a month, but my skin's worse. I'm like, what is the logic behind that? Everyone's like, you shouldn't fake tan your face, it makes your skin worse. It doesn't. Clearly. Yeah, I just put this everywhere, a lot on the forehead because, you know, you girls got a big forehead. Yeah, oh my god, no one knows how much this has taken me to actually come on without makeup and tan on. Like, I feel so self-conscious, it's actually unreal. So if I keep looking at myself, it's not because I love myself, it's because I'm like checking I look alright. So I don't want people to think like, oh my god, she's so self-obsessed. It literally just because I'm insecure. Okay, right, so I can't bother to wet my beauty blender because, to be honest, I just can't be bothered. Don't have any explanation. But the thing I use, which has changed my whole makeup, is the Dior Air Flash foundation. So my mum uses this foundation because I used to use it when I was like 12 years old, when I used to be like obsessed with makeup, and I absolutely loved it. And then she used it, but ever since then she's been using it. But obviously I used to use the Nars one, but that's very heavy. This is good coverage, like it covers my spots, like quite well, you can see my spots. It covers them well, but also it's very light and it just doesn't look too cakey. Does that make sense? So it's such a good foundation. I wear the shade 300, if you know what I was wondering. I'm gonna go shake it up. Oh, my arm's shaking. I shake it up, I shake it up. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hey, hey. Just look like you're doing it. No, stop. Right. Right, that's shaked enough, shook enough. I don't know the words, what I'm saying. Right, so then I just literally, this is so difficult without a mirror. I do that, spray a bit on, and then obviously I blend it. I don't know the exact way you're actually meant to put this on, but I just do whatever I feel like is good. I'm not a professional makeup artist person, obviously. But yeah, I just blend it in. I usually do wet my beauty blender, but I really cannot be bothered, and I really do not care. So as you can see, you can still see like my skin, my spots through it, but I kind of like just like that natural look. I don't know why I've got so many spots recently. Hey ho. It does scare me, I'm not gonna lie. I was not ready for that. Right, there we go. Yeah. Okay, sometimes I do need extra coverage, like where my spots are. I quite like leaving my nose with not much foundation on because you can't literally see, but I have so many freckles from being in the sun because I've been sunbathing. Like when I was younger I was always freckly, however they only come out in the sun now, which I think is really odd. But whatever, I wish they were there always. I love freckles so much. I literally love when mine come out. It makes my whole life amazing, and I actually do redraw my freckles on during this routine. I don't know if you can actually see because the camera's making them look like I don't have freckles, but I do have freckles. I'm not lying, guys. Yeah. Do the forehead. This foundation is quite pricey, but I would say it's quite worth it as it does last a while, and you can just tell it's worth the money. Like it's a genuine nice foundation. A bit more there on the dodgy skin bits. Right, I'm just gonna go a bit over my nose because we're gonna put extra freckles on there anyway, because I don't like covering up my freckles. But obviously I need to wear makeup because look at the state of me. No one needs to wear makeup, obviously. Oh god. Yeah, I just sometimes do a few more, like a couple more layers in certain places because it is, I wouldn't say it's light coverage, but it's certainly not high coverage at all. Right, I think we're good to go. We're good to go. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, we've sorted that fiasco out of my face. There's dogs barking, which I don't like. Well, I like dogs, but not them barking. It's honestly one of my least favourite noises. I don't want to shake my armpits. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm being real. Right, we're going to carry on with the makeup, even though dogs are barking. Right, now what I do is I take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Light 2 Vanilla, and I put it under my eyes. I just like to get a really light one because it brightens me up, which is what I need in life. And then we just blend it with the same beauty blender because, like I said, I'm not a professional and I don't care to be. Yeah, this concealer is honestly amazing. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. You can't even see like how good it is on camera. That eye. There we go. All bright. And then I'm just gonna blend my makeup up a little bit more down here. Okay, so the next thing we do is we take my Huda Beauty powder. This is the Pound Cake one. Is that the shade it's in? Yeah. Oh, we're just gonna bake my face with it. So what I do is I just take it. So this is the Huda Beauty one. Did I say? Just gone everywhere. It's really good. This has the weirdest smell, I'm not even gonna lie. I just get it out like that, and then we get it and set my under eyes. And here. I don't really do much there, to be honest. I'm not a professional, I keep saying it, but I don't want people to think like, oh god, you're really bad at makeup, and like, yeah. Right, that's enough. You know what? We're gonna leave it there. Right, that is my powder. And then what I do is I get my Real Technique sculpting brush, and then, oh god, and then I use this Sunkissed Tropical Bronze, Multi-Bronze and Highlights, and in it I use the contour shade, which I've hit pan on there. I don't know what that is in it. But yeah, and then I just contour to the high heavens, you know? Because when you've got a little bit of a chubby face like me, you gotta contour it. Well, you don't have to. I don't know what I'm even saying in this video. I feel like I hold my brush really weird. And then we'll do it under the jaw. I don't even know if this is right. And then obviously the forehead, because your girl has a massive forehead. And then obviously the other side. Right, now the nose. I do love a good nose contour. Right, I am going to blend it, don't panic. I'm just going to blend it. Right, we're all done with the contour, and now I literally just take my beauty blender and just do this. Again, don't know if this is correct, but it works for me. There you go. And the powder just honestly just brings the look together, I feel like. There we go. I feel like I look absolutely awful. My contour looks really unblended on camera, but in real life it looks nice. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Right, we're gonna go with it. Okay, next I do blush, because I love a bit of blush. I take that same thing and just use the blush in it with this random brush. It's my sister's. I don't even know what I'm doing. And then I like doing this little thing. I feel like e-girls do it. I like putting blusher at the end of my nose because it's like cute. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna just make sure the blush looks alright, because I don't want to look like a little pink freak. Okay, right. Now we'll do my favourite bit, which is highlight. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and it's absolutely battered. I'm just going to take whatever. I'm going to take Starburst, which is like a pinky one. And then I do the most random thing ever that you're all going to think, what the hell? But basically, okay, where is it? Okay, so I use the end of this, because I don't have a small brush. I use the end of it to do my inner corner highlight and my nose highlight. Is that weird? I feel like that's really odd. Okay, now I've done that, I do literally just do my eyebrows, but I'm not going to do my eyebrows on camera because I don't like doing my eyebrows, and I can't even barely do them, to be fair. But I use the Revolution Brow Pomade in shade medium brown, and this little brush from Spectrum, which is my sister's. I'll be back. I don't really do much to my eyebrows, but yeah. They look awful. I look awful on camera. What is even happening? Oh my god, my eyebrows actually look so nice in real life. I'm sorry, I'm not having that. I'm not having it. What is happening? I think it's because I've got a freckle above this one. It looks really weird. Do you know what? End of. Right, now I put mascara on. So, I curl my eyelashes. And my eyelashes are even in it. I can't even see if my eyelashes are in it. They are, don't worry. Okay, so I put my eyelashes in it, obviously. And I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's got hair stuck in it, which isn't nice. I don't know, my eyebrows look so weird on camera. Okay, so I've curled them. I've got mascara underneath them. Oh my god, right, I'm going to come back when I've done my mascara, right? Done my mascara. Now I do my freckles. Okay, so for my freckles, I literally just take, well, the brush I use for my eyebrows, because it has like a point on it at the end. And honestly, I do the most random, like this is just, I don't even know what I do in this routine. I just take this Morphe 24G palette, and it's got like a brown shade in it in the corner. And what I do is I literally just dab it in there, and then I'm going to come really close. I just kind of do it where my freckles are naturally. Okay, and then because they're quite prominent, as we can see, I literally just take my finger and do that. And then it literally makes them look quite natural. And you can't see on camera at all, which is not great. Okay. Right, that is my makeup done. No, it's not. I lied. Then I just wipe whatever found that's really annoying me, that freckle. Wipe my foundation lips off. And then I literally just take this Primark lip gloss called In Vanilla and then put it on. Okay. That is the finished makeup routine. I'm gonna do my hair then be back. This is my everyday makeup look finished. I don't know why I look so awful on camera, but this is what I do every day. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Do you know what you can comment down below? Comment down below your favourite makeup product. Yeah, I hope you all have a good day or have had a good day. I love you all. Bye.